Beep boop. Welcome back to ByteSized Data. I'm Byte, your resident infrastructure guide. Today, we are settling one of the biggest, most expensive arguments in all of cloud computing: data warehouse versus data lake. If you've ever looked at a corporate cloud bill and wondered why your company is spending millions on both, you're about to find out. Let's break it down without the boring white papers. Here's the problem. Tech companies generate terrifying amounts of data every second. Click logs, purchase histories, server metrics, it's a massive flood. You can't just shove all of it into a standard database without things grinding to a halt. You have to choose a strategy. Do you spend time organizing it up front, or do you just dump it somewhere cheap and deal with the mess later? That's where our two contenders come in. First, let's look at the data warehouse. Think of this like your local supermarket. When you walk in, everything is perfectly clean and organized. The apples are in the produce aisle, the milk is in the dairy fridge, and everything has a barcode. In data terms, this is highly structured data. It's pre-cleaned, pre-formatted, and sitting in rigid tables. If a business analyst wants a sales report, they can grab it in 2 seconds. It's fast and beautiful. But renting space in this premium supermarket is incredibly expensive. Now, look at the data lake. This is the complete opposite. Think of it like a chaotic wholesale distribution center, where delivery trucks just dump entire shipping containers onto the floor. You've got raw text files, video clips, unparsed JSON strings, and absolute chaos sitting together. It costs almost nothing to dump stuff here, which is great. But if you want to find a specific receipt from 3 months ago, good luck. You're going to need a heavy-duty data engineer wielding a Spark cluster just to dig it out. Let's put them head-to-head. Warehouses give you speed and order, but they will happily drain your company's bank account if you try to stream raw sensor data into them. Lakes give you massive scale for pennies, but if you don't keep an eye on them, they turn into what the industry unironically calls a data swamp, a place where data goes to die because nobody knows what's in there anymore. So who wins? If you need fast, daily dashboards for your business team, the warehouse wins hands down. If you're hoarding raw data for future machine learning models, the lake is your best friend. But what if you want both? Hit that subscribe button because next week, Byte is showing you how the industry tried to smash them together to create the data lakehouse. Beep boop. See you next time.